Hey YouTube, so I'm going to show you how to assemble the Home Depot dock box, and it's really easy once you know how to do it. Okay, and sorry about my squeaking floor. It squeaks right here where I'm standing, so just bear with me. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to turn it over, and there's a perforated edge right here, so just carefully separate it this side, and there's another edge right here separated from this side. Just be careful you don't rip it. Okay, so two perforated edges right by these handles, okay, like so. So you want to turn it around. You want to tuck this flap inside here. You want to fold this flap in, fold this flap handle in as well. Okay, fold this like this. Flip it around, put your handles, put this handle up, the other handle up. You put this flap down. And here's your box. So it's all done. It's a little confusing on the instructions, I think. I don't know. You can't really see them that well. But it's really easy. Okay, and now we're going to assemble the lid. And this is pretty easy. It's almost like assembling, I guess, maybe a pizza box or something. You just want to gently break the perforations on all sides. Okay, and there's two creases here on these flaps. You just want to bend it here gently. And bend the second crease gently. Same with the other side. Bend the first crease. Bend the second crease. Bend it like this. This, fold it like that. And you fold the tabs under, and then it should look like that. The tabs come under there. Same with the other side. Fold this. Fold this flap. Tab should lock into place. There'll be slots here. Nice and secure. And your dock box is ready to go. And it's that simple.